Sa mga teachers na mag-serve ngayong eleksyon, hindi po tax-free ang inyong compensation or honorarium na matatanggap. Yung chairperson na 12,000, yung pool clerk at saka yung third member na 11,000, yung EB support staff na 8,000, yung DESO na 11,000, at saka yung DESO TSS is 9,000, at saka yung DESO administrative support staff na 8,000, meron pa ho yung tax. So ganito, if chairperson, ang matatanggap is 10,200. Yung pool clerk at saka yung third member, it's 9,350. Yung EB support staff, it's 6,800. Yung DESO, it's 9,350. Yung DESO technical support staff, that is 7,650. Saka yung DESO administrative support staff, that is 6,800. Yun ho. Kasi merong tax babalik sa gobyerno.